Will the market go up or down? Should you lock in or float? Find out this and more with Master of the Markets, hosted by Barry Habib of MBS Highway. Brought to you by Paramount Residential Mortgage Group.
In today's mortgage environment, providing our wholesale community with the best combination of product, pricing, technology, and service is paramount to their success. PRMG, built by originators for originators.
Welcome to another edition of Master of the Markets. I'm Barry Habib at MBS Highway. This is created exclusively for MPTV and brought to you by our good friends at PRMG who are working for your best interest. Well, the election results, will we ever get them in? You know, what was really important for the markets, at least, was the fact that the House and the Senate do appear to remain divided. So the market seemed to like that, stock market like that, bond market like that. But towards the end of the week, we saw bonds give back some of their gains. You know, some of this was based on dollar weakness that we had seen. Jobs numbers came in a little bit stronger than expected. The unemployment rate dropping all the way to 6.9%. So some good things happening there in the job market, but we are seeing the bond market give back some of its gains. Now, very important for you to watch is watch that 10-year right around 0.82%. That's its 200-day moving average, kind of battling right up against that after dropping underneath the last week. Let's see if that level can hold. If it can, chances are mortgage bonds will remain in pretty good shape. With respect to this week, we're going to get some news on inflation. That's going to always be important for the bond market, and there will be some auctions, that 10-year Treasury note auction and a 30-year bond auction. That's why that level of 0.82 is so important, because if we break above the 200-day moving average, it'll have kind of a snowball effect, because investors will be a little bit less, have less of an appetite to go for a 10-year Treasury if it's broken above its 200-day moving average, because the chances are it could go more towards 1%, and people wouldn't really want to be buying at this auction at a level closer to 80 basis points if they think yields will go up and they'll be shortchanged. So could have a snowball effect. That's why this is such a critical level to see if this holds early this week. Now, last week, besides the fact that we had the election, besides the fact that we had the jobs numbers, we also did see the Fed come to have their meeting, which they do every 6 weeks. It seemed like Chairman Jay Powell wanted to try to tread very lightly. It was almost a cut and paste from the last Fed meeting. Now, what I was hoping for and looking for was seeing what would they do with regards to buying more longer-term dated treasuries. No word on that. Remained silent. Really wanted to take a backseat at this meeting, since there was some uncertainty still with regards to the presidential race, and since there wasn't an outcome that was clear when Jay Powell was speaking, he really treaded lightly, just did a cut and paste, so didn't get too much there. So meanwhile, if you're not a certified mortgage advisor, which would allow you to really understand all this stuff and go through it and explain it to your customers, create videos, you need to get on board with that. Become CMA.com. And if you're an MBS Highway subscriber, you get some huge discounts and benefits, and you'll be really in better shape with MBS Highway as well. Hope you guys have a great week. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
PRMG continues to provide our wholesale partners across the nation with better technology, better product, better pricing, and better service. Our nationally recognized brand is more than just an image. It is a symbol of integrity. PRMG, built by originators for originators. Be sure to click on the link below for your free 30-day MBS Highway trial.